Good morning, guys. I'm back here again with my fortnight video actually, and I'm here in Bangkok and in the amazing event called Magic actually for our team. This is our second event in Bangkok. Last month I was here for Freedom, now Magic, and in the month of February we will be here again for DWD. You know, guys, sometimes I get amazed looking at my last 10-year journey, right? Okay, it was started with few people, hardly 4 or 5 people, and now there are 3 events happening actually every next month in Bangkok with 10-15,000 people, and sometimes I wonder how this happened actually, right? Okay, and I get amazed because every month I have to come to these kind of events, and maybe in future maybe these 3 events will become 12 events, and every month we'll have one event in one part of the world actually, and which one team will be conducting. And this is nothing but power of a dream actually, right? This is nothing but power of a belief. This is nothing but it is only possible by doing a hard work with a lot of belief, passion and faith along with you actually, right? Okay, so guys, my topic is not faith, belief or passion or anything. I'm so passionate about this business. I'm so passionate about last 10-year journey. That's why exactly I wanted to share that, right? And I'm here on the traditional day, on day 1 in Magic. Okay, and this is my traditional outfit. This time I thought, I'm not going to have typical kurta and pajama and all that, okay, and I want to thank the team actually who gifted me this. I still remember on last day of week on September 2019, one team from somewhere, some small town or village actually from Manipur, I don't even know the name of the place actually, they came and met me after week on and they gifted me this. This is their traditional thing actually, which handcrafted thing, and to respect them and to show my love to them, I decided to use this actually for traditional day today actually in Magic. So thank you guys, I love you, and this is nothing but your respect to me, and this is nothing but my love for you guys, because of which I'm wearing it and taking your name, right? Thank you very much, and I love you guys, right? So before I start my fortnight, okay, I want to share that last few days I was thinking a lot about teams which are not doing well, with the groups which are not doing well. Sometimes team collapses and a lot of negativity, I'm not talking about external negativity, the internal negativity, right? People have problems with each other and all that, and I thought, why not making few fortnight videos on the subject, okay, and share the reasons why most of the time the team collapses, why most of the time there's a negativity in the team, why exactly that happens, what went wrong in the past because of which these kind of things are there. Because on the other side there are teams which are always positive, which are always in love with all the team members, there's a proper relationship, all these things actually, right? Same business, okay, same markets, but different people, okay, and different practices, right? Okay, actually rather I should say practices are same, because we share the same practices but different culture actually, right? Okay, the culture starts getting diluted over a period of time, and because of the different culture, some people don't take care of small little things which does not affect them in the beginning of the business, but which later affect them, because it creates a different kind of a culture actually, right? Okay, so I thought, why not in my fortnight videos I will cover few things which spoil the culture, and in turn after few years it spoil the business and spoil the mood of the people and the relationship also, right? So I want to talk about that one thing which I remember I started talking from the day 1 actually in the business, because I don't know whether you guys are aware or not, I have some network marketing experience before QNet, which was around 10 years before QNet, when I was a teen, I was just 20s, right, for about 6 months. And from that other company I left the business because it was too small money to pursue that, but I learned a lot, and from there exactly I learned one cardinal rule which I applied from day 1. In between, maybe that cardinal rule got diluted also from my side as well, for which I suffered, right? But I want to reiterate to you guys, don't take it lightly, okay? Take it as if it is like a Bible actually, right? Take it as if it is a Gita or a Quran, that these are the things which you should never do, okay? And it is not person centric, okay? This is basically a principle, and principle should be same for everyone. Not like, oh, when this is a normal crowd I will apply this principle, but when this person is there who's very close to me and this principle is not applied, right? Please understand, this is to be applied all the time, okay? Again, I'm sharing, it is up to you whether you want to apply or not, because if you don't apply, you may not experience the challenges in the beginning, right? Okay, maybe even if you dilute that principle, maybe you will not get adversely hit by the challenge or something, right? But eventually it will happen. Okay, so I want to share about that, okay, which I am following to the T from last few years, right? Okay, and in the beginning also I followed. In between, you know, I took it lightly and I suffered because of that, right? Okay, I'll tell you what is that. Never ever, never ever, never ever, 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 okay, do any transaction or any other business dealing or anything else, okay, with any upline or downline or cross line other than this business. I'm telling you, this is a cancer. Okay, I will explain it to you. Okay, see, all other businesses or all other transactions or dealings or whatever, right, traditional in the form, right? Okay, there are conflicts which are bound to happen there, right? Like traditional business, money dealing, taking and giving, or whatever it is, right? Okay, this is the only business there is where it is cash and carry, and you don't have to really deal with a lot of money with people, each other, right? Just keep it simple, right? But when you do something else with any upline or downline or cross line, actually, right, and then because of that the issues start happening. Okay, issue will happen if it is not happening now, right? And eventually when the issues are started happening, what will happen? Okay, the relationship will get spoiled, and when the relationship gets spoiled, it will straight away affect the business and your team, and which is a long term thing actually, right? So unnecessary for short term gain, you got into something with someone and you are affecting your long term journey actually, right? For example, never ever give any money on credit to any upline or downline. Never ever sell anything to upline or downline. Never ever like for example a car or a house on a rent or anything, please don't. There are a lot of people outside, right? You can deal with them outside, okay, no problem, because you can be straight to them, right? But when it comes to people like upline or downline, initially you will be hesitant, but it will create a kirkir in your head, and that kirkir will create a conflict between you and them, and that is not good for business, right? Okay, and I know all of us love your upline, our upline and downline, and if you want to really keep loving them, okay, if you really want to have good relationship, stay away from all these things, right? Stay away from all these things and never ever get into anything jointly with any upline or downline other than this business actually, right? Okay, so this is the first thing because of which many team collapses, many team have issues between people and all. Okay, so please don't do anything, don't mix two businesses, don't mix anything traditional along with this business. So whether it is upline or downline, please, if you really want to stay with them for long term, okay, learn to say no initially so that you will be there together for long term, right? Next time I will share another next reason why a lot of team collapses because of relationship and what exactly happened. But this time please check, and I know mistakes happen, but correct them, and now onwards at least follow this 100%, right? Thank you very much, and I love you, and I'll see you in my next fortnight video. Thank you very much.